Today we're showing you a 2003 New Holland TL100 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor has a New Holland, New Holland 52LA quick attach front loader that goes with it. Has just under 1,500 hours. Was a local trade-in. Tractor's in good overall condition. Skid steer style hookup for your bucket connection. Also has the hookup here to operate a grapple. Front grill guard goes with it. It looks like somebody has painted the hood at some time. Other than that, I believe the tractor to be original, but it looks like the blue in the hood has been painted. Front work lights on the tractor as well as the side work lights here. Two entry doors in the cab. Tires are in good shape. Rear work lights on the cab. Fenders are in nice shape. It's got the dual rear hydraulic plug-ins. Top link goes with it. It's 540 and 1000 Pto Capable. Has the drawbar and the telescopic 3-point arms. Also has the stabilizer bars. It's a very nice feature. Rear wiper. There are no known issues with the tractor. However, this is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so it will be selling as is, where is. If you'd like to come on in and inspect the tractor, please feel free to do so. And again, we traded this tractor from a fella locally here, primarily using it as a hay tractor. Simply upgraded to a newer tractor. You have the operator manual there to go with it. It's got the 12-12 transmission with the shuttle. Got the forward reverse lever right here to the left of the seat. Also have your PTO engagement here to the left of the seat. Has tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Has the two main transmission levers here to the right. You've got 3 ranges in the tractor, plus a 4-speed up here. Gives you a total of 12 speeds. Park brake right here beside the seat. 3-point and hydraulic controls also here beside the seat. Also have your hand throttle and your quick up down and your 3-point there on the side console. Loader control right there with an easy reach. Also have a little switch there to activate that third function. 1,491.6 hours on the tractor currently. The headliner does show some discoloration, which is pretty common on this series tractor. The climate control is right up here in the middle. Radio over there to the right. Notice the clutch and brake pedals do not show a lot of wear. This tractor's got a lot of life in it yet. Make somebody a nice inexpensive haying tractor. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.